Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and I want to show you something on the other side of the camera. Some updates from the building and something else. So last time I was standing here and concrete trucks were driving in and out. Now, as you can see, we kind of cleaned the yard. We need to pick up still some stones and level it a bit because we want to put grass there, so there are quite some stones in. We will clean it up. Unfortunately, my ocean container had some really nice covers, and when they moved it they kind of destroyed the covers. So luckily we have still some material and we will cover this nicely again. Here we need to clean up still quite some stuff, some wood remains, some remains of pavement. Here is now made pavement and they dumped a lot of sand on it, so we need to broom it still in because there's this kind of space between, but it starts to look already much better. There comes still the logo, of course, there of Velomobile World. So yeah, well, a lot of cleaning still. But that's not all. We started also to make the newsletter again. When we started the website a couple of years ago, we started the newsletter. Then I didn't find time to work on it. Now we have the newsletter once a month. We send you all kind of information we put on the like all collection from things what we did last month. Yeah, just subscribe to the newsletter so we can send you the newsletter, and see you next time. Bye bye.